a lot of the audience that watch these episodes are people that look up to people such as yourself, people who have created something from nothing and are living what others perceive as their dream job or their dream life. And obviously, behind the scenes, it's a lot more difficult than that. But no doubt there's a sense of fulfillment that you feel every single day that you've worked incredibly hard to be able to achieve. What is the single biggest piece of advice that you give someone that you would see yourself in their shoes 5, 10 years ago that would love to start a brand like yours? What's the single biggest piece of advice that you had to learn that you would give someone in that same position?
Ooh, good question. I would say, I mean, there's a lot of different things, but I would say one thing is, what we do is hard. It's a lot, creating products and having your own business and this and that. And I would say make sure that you're doing it for the right reasons. Some people see what we do and they're like, oh, wow, they're so successful. And like, I want to make a lot of money. And that's, what drives them. And if that is what drives you, you will probably not get as far as you'd like, because you have to be so passionate about what you do. And that's something that, if I didn't have passion for what I do right now, I feel like I would have given up a long time ago because of the stress and the long nights and the exhaustion that you feel sometimes. It's a lot, and if you're passionate about what you do, you're kind of like, okay, like, let me pivot, let me adapt, let me change this. And because it means so much to you,
Mm.
you can comfortably do those things. It's not always easy. There's been some tears and some blood and some stress, but just making sure that you're passionate about what you do and you're passionate about your product.
Mm.
Um, otherwise it's just, you don't feel as fulfilled in what you're doing. And it can knock you down and keep you there if you're not as passionate.